We are going to go through 100 daily English conversations. I'll say them slowly, clearly, and I want you to listen and repeat after me. Don't rush. Take your time, feel the sentences, and try to sound natural. If you practice with me every day, I promise your English will start to feel easier, more confident, and more real. All right, let's get started. Hey, how are you doing today? I'm good, just a little tired, honestly. Work was crazy. Did you eat yet? Not yet. I've been so busy I forgot. I'm starving now. What are you up to? Nothing much, just relaxing and scrolling on my phone. Why do you look so happy today? I don't know. It's just one of those good days, you know? Are you coming with us tonight? I want to, but I might be too tired. Let me see how I feel later. Did you finish your work? Almost. I just have one more thing to do. Where are you right now? I'm outside, just getting some fresh air. Why didn't you reply earlier? Oh, I saw your message, but I got distracted. My bad. Do you need help with that? Yeah, actually I do. I've been struggling with it. What's wrong? Nothing serious. I'm just not in the mood today. Did you sleep well? Not really. I kept waking up all night. Are you busy right now? A little, but I can talk for a minute. Why are you late? Traffic was insane. I couldn't move for like 20 minutes. Do you want coffee? Yes, please. I really need it today. Have you seen my keys? No, I haven't. Did you check the table? What time are you leaving? In about 10 minutes. I just need to grab my jacket. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Just a little stressed. Do you like this place? Yeah, it's nice. Very calm and peaceful. Why are you so quiet? I'm just thinking, a lot on my mind right now. Did you call him? No, I wasn't sure what to say. Are you hungry? A little. I could eat something light. What do you want to eat? I don't know. Maybe something simple like rice or chicken. Did you watch that movie? Yeah, it was actually really good. Why didn't you come yesterday? I wasn't feeling well. I had a headache. Do you work tomorrow? Yeah, early morning. I'm not ready for it. Are you serious? Yeah, I'm not joking this time. Can I ask you something? Of course. Go ahead.